Hi students, welcome in the chemistry classes. So how are you? Okay, so here we are seeing the next organic name reaction. We have seen several of the name reactions and one important type is the Stobbe condensation reaction. Okay, so here we will see the mechanism of the Stobbe condensation reaction and several other examples that can be asked in the next exam. Okay, so which type of examples are asked in the question paper, that we will see afterward. Okay, so one important thing is here that if you want my full course, then the full courses of inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry are available on my app. Okay, so you can watch and see that courses, and soon the courses of the organic chemistry will also be available. Okay, so the links are given in the description box, so you can watch and see them. Okay, so see here, what is the Stobbe condensation reaction? Actually, it is the condensation of aldehydes or ketones, means any of them. If you are taking aldehyde, then you can take aldehyde or you can take ketone. Any one of them is condenses with the ester of succinic acid. So this is the main ingredient. This is the main component, that is ester of the succinic acid. It is reacting with aldehyde or ketone in the presence of base, and base may be either C2H5ONA, sodium ethoxide, or it may be tertiary butoxide, or it may be sodium hydride, to give the salt of alpha beta unsaturated half esters. Okay, means there is happening a condensation reaction. You know the condensation reaction means two compound get attached. Okay, and here is alpha beta unsaturated compound formed. Means to say is that this is C double bond O. Okay, after this, in this manner a new bond is formed and here is a double bond. This is called alpha beta unsaturated compound, and here there may be a ester type of linkage in this manner. So this type of compound is formed overall. Okay, so see here, what is the reaction that is happening? So first of all, you are taking R2C double bond O. This is your ketone, and here you are taking CH2 COO C2H5 COO C2H5. What is this? This is the ethyl succinate, means this is the derivative of the succinic acid, or it is called the ester of the succinic acid. So I am writing here, this is ester of succinic acid. So when they are acting in the presence of a strong base like Me3COK, tertiary methyl butoxide. Okay, so when you are treating in this manner, what is happening? A new linkage is formed, R2C. Okay, here you have seen this was the double bond. Now what happened? This bond get ruptured. Okay, this bond get ruptured, so we will eliminate this oxygen, and now we will form here a new bond. I am making it by a white color so that you can understand that a new bond is formed. Okay, and here you are getting C CH2 COOK, and here COO C2H5. In this way, a alpha beta unsaturated compound is formed. Or in a general way, if you want to write this reaction in a general way, then how you can write this reaction? See here. This is COOR. Okay, and here you have to make OR and double bond O. This is called succinic acid derivative. Okay, so we can write it succinic acid derivative, or the ester of the succinic acid. Now you are treating it with aldehyde or ketone. You will like it in this manner. Then you are treating it with the base, and then you are treating it with the acid. So this type, in this type you have given the reaction. So what you are getting? This will remain as it is. Alright. This thing will remain here. You are getting OH because you have treated with the acid. Okay, and here you are getting same thing, and at this position you have to make a new double bond, and by this new double bond you have to add the groups of the ketone. Okay, means you have to break this bond from here and you have to make a new bond at this position. Okay, at this position you have to make a new bond. Okay, so now see the mechanism of the reaction. See the overall mechanism in a brief manner. First of all, what you are doing, you are taking the ester of the succinic acid, CH2COOET, CH2COOET. ET means ethyl group. Okay, and then actually what happens when you are taking a strong base like Me3COK, okay, then it will abstract. This is a base, okay, and this base will abstract a proton, and from where the proton will be abstracted, from this position, okay. The hydrogen from here, it is very acidic, this can be abstracted, okay. So you are getting here CHCOOET. Here you are getting a negative charge because you have abstracted the proton, and you are getting CH2COOET here. Then this is the carbon ion that is formed. Okay, now this carbon ion will attack on the ketone. Okay, means this is our ketone C6H5, C6H5, C double bond. This is reacting with CHCOOET, CH2COOET. Okay, here is the negative charge. So this carbon ion is attacking on this carbon atom. Actually, this bond is moving in this direction. Okay, so as a result, a combination product is formed, addition product is formed. Okay, so addition is happening, or what is happening? This is CO and this O is getting minus charge. Okay, and at this position, a new bond is created. So just make a new bond between the two compounds in this manner, CH2 and COOC2H5. We are writing it in this manner, COOC2H5 means C double bond O, O C2H5. Okay, you can write in this manner. Then see here, what is happening? This bond is moving here. Okay, and this is the leaving group. You are seeing this O2H5 is a leaving group. This will move in this manner. Whenever you have given a Cl group, any halogen, or you have given the OET group, OC2H5 group, then these are leaving group. So they will have the tendency to get leave out. Okay. So as a result, this will leave out. So as a result, this will leave out minus, you will write down OET, and a new bond is created. Means to say is that you are writing C6H5, C6H5. Okay, then C, same thing you are writing again. Okay, the group you are writing in the similar manner. Just what you have to do, see here. This is C double bond O. Okay, and here was O, and you have to make a new bond here. This is the new bond that you have made. Okay, means you are getting a lactone. Okay, now this lactone will react with the base. Okay, means Me3CO. This will get attack. Where it will attack? See here. This will attack at this position. Okay, so you have to always see the most acidic hydrogen atom. Okay, so you are making an attack on the most acidic hydrogen atom that is being abstracted by the base. So you are getting C6H5, C6H5, CO, C, COOET, CH2, C double bond. In this manner you are making. Okay, and there will be a negative charge at this position. Now the bonds will move in this manner. See here, this negative charge will approach here. So this bond will move here. Okay, so this here, this reaction will be a irreversible process. So as a result, you are getting C6H5, C6H5. Here, this is C, and a double bond means here C here. This is the double bond formed. This is COO, C2H5, and here you are getting CH2, COO minus. And now you are doing the reaction with the acid. Okay, work up with the acid. So as a result, you are getting H here. Okay, at the minus charge position, you will get the acidic proton. Okay, so you are getting C6H5, C6H5, C double bond C, COO, C2H5, CH2, COOH. So this is the ultimate product that you are getting. Okay. Now see some examples. This is the whole mechanism. I think you got clear. Now we see the examples that can be asked in the question paper. Okay, because we have taken these examples from the reference books, from where the questions are generally asked in the NET and GATE exam. Okay, so it may be asked. Okay, so see here. Suppose you have given a compound in this manner. This is your aldehyde and you are treating it with ethyl succinate. Okay, then this is reaction happening in the presence of tertiary butoxide and tertiary butyl alcohol 74%. Okay, so what will be your product? What will be your product? You have to find out. So see here, what you have to do, just try to understand this bond. Okay, this oxygen is being formed here. Actually, what is happening here? You are seeing a bond in this manner, C double bond O H. Okay, so this bond get ruptured. Okay, and a new bond is created with this compound at this position. Okay, means you have to make a new bond from here. Okay, in this manner you have to make the bond. So we are making the bond. So you are making here your aldehyde. Okay, this was the CH group. Okay, at this position you have to make a double bond. Then you have to attach COOC2H5 and this was the bond. See here, I am making this bond in this manner. Okay, why? Because there may be stereochemistry at this position. Okay, this bond can take two different arrangements. It may be below the plane or it may be above the plane. So we are making in this manner. Okay, so this is the compound that you are getting. Now see the second one. The second example, see here. This is our succinic acid derivative. This is succinate derivative that you have taken. And this is your aldehyde. These two are reacting. Okay. And this reaction is happening in the presence of NaH, PHH. Secondly, you are doing hydrolysis. Then what is happening? See here. Actually, what you have to do in this reaction, see here. Try to understand what I am saying. See here. This is your CHO group. Okay. So firstly, you have to make the CHO group in this manner. Okay. Then you will remove this oxygen from here. Okay. And you will make a new bond here in this manner. Okay. Then this is the new bond, that is double bond. Okay, so here you will have to make the now this succinic acid derivative. It means this is the COOH group of it, and then you have to make the whole chain that you are seeing. Okay, means this is double bond, then your two benzene rings will come out in this manner. Okay, one ring and the another one ring in this manner. So in this way you are getting your product. Okay, so this is quite easy. You can make, just you have to remove the C double bond O oxygen bond in the aldehyde of ketone and then you have to add the other group. Okay, now see the third one example. See here, this is your compound. When you are treating it with COOMe, COOMe, okay, is this compound, you are rating it, then you are getting the 30% yield of the compound. You are doing the Stobbe condensation. So actually what product you are getting? See here. Firstly make your aldehyde, okay, and then add this CH group. You have to make a double bond and then you have to add your succinic derivative. It means in this manner COOH and COOH. In this manner you have to make, this is called the Stobbe condensation. This you are doing by Stobbe condensation and you are getting this one product. Now with the same compound, if you are doing the reaction this compound, the same compound, you can make by another reaction also. Okay, so I am telling you both the types. We have seen the Wittig reaction. If you have seen my organic chemistry lectures, you have seen the reaction mechanism, you have seen the Wittig reaction. So in that, what happens, you are treating with PH3P double bond COOMe, COOMe. Okay, this is the compound with which you have to treat. Okay, so you are getting the same way. You are getting here OMe, OMe, and what you do here, you have to make a new bond between this CH and double bond C here. What you have to do in this thing, you have to remove this bond. Okay, you have to break this bond. Okay, so you are breaking this bond and you are making the new bond, and you are doing the acid hydrolysis. Okay, so you are getting the same product. Now you are getting the 50% yield. Okay, means same compound you can get by the Wittig reaction also. You are doing Stobbe condensation, you are getting 30% yield. If you are doing Wittig reaction, you are getting 50% yield. Means you are getting the same compound by both the reactions. So this thing you have to keep in the mind. Okay, what type of reactions you can do and you can get the product, which type product you are getting. This thing you have to remember. Okay, so this is whole about the Stobbe condensation. I have given you several examples. Okay, I think now you got clear whole this concept. So meets you in the another lecture, and if you want the full course, you can see the description box. I have given the link, and if you want any video on the YouTube, then you can also comment me. Okay, I will try to provide you that video. Thank you.